His name? You said Mr. James? No, it's fine. He's giving us information about Somalia and we'll. Yeah.
Will you be with at the meeting with the imams?
Yeah. I'm imam too. I can talk to you. It's fine.
This is what he said.
No, if he's an Amsam, I can ask him. You are my cousin Samal. Why are you making difficult? I'm not recording it. Is it okay, sir, to talk to you? I said a good word. I'm imam. I run as the president for Somalia. Yes. I was competing with Sheikh Sharif. Hassan Mahmoud knows me well. I had a lot of debates with them. So we are brothers in humanity. We are same contents. They are from Africa. We helped them. Somalia helped them. Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania. I am graduated from Somali National University, major in agriculture, major in biology. We had their students in our college. So we are same family. But the problem is, we're not accepting Ethiopia and Kenya. You understand what I mean? They want to take our land. In the second, we would like you to train our army.
Yes.
You understand what I mean? That is the most important. If you are helping us honestly as an Africanist, we accept you. Otherwise, the people will think that AMISOM is not honest with the Somalian people. And they will carry the weapons against you. Look, the Uganda is dying over there. Look, the Burundi is dying. We feel sorry. We're not happy with that. So we have to be honest, and we have to tell Ethiopians and Kenyans, hey, we will not accept Africans to colonize Africans. Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Sure. There is no way.
Yes.
There is no way Ethiopia,
yes,
Kenya, even if they join forces,
yes,
can colonize Somalia. You know that.
Mr. They are divided.
You know.
I know that they are. We want to call. No. They already took. Kenya took part of Somalia.
No, you know.
NFD.
I said even if.
Yeah, not of Somalia. I think Somalia.
You know that even if they combine,
Ethiopia took part of Somalia.
No, even if they combine,
yes,
they cannot colonize you.
They are. Why don't you train the Somali army?
What if I tell you?
They don't accept.
Wait, no. What if
the Western countries don't accept?
What if I tell you that we speak now?
Yeah.
If you put all the Somali forces, soldiers that have been trained by anyone, the greatest is from Ethiopia. What if I tell you that? And I give you statistics.
The greatest?
Yes, if I give you statistics.
How Ethiopia is greatest?
No, you're not listening to what I'm saying.
What say again, please?
I said, you said what you want is for them to train your soldiers.
Somali army.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If I put statistics for you, to prove to you that Ethiopia, has provided more money, more training for Somali soldiers.
That is a big problem.
Wait, let me finish.
I don't trust Ethiopia.
You see, that's the problem.
Ethiopia killed my cousin. They killed my grandfather.
You see, that's
Wallahi,
the problem.
I assure Allah. They killed my parents.
I'm not doubting that.
All my people. How can I trust Tigray and Amhara?
I'm not doubting
who killed me?
There is history between Somalia and Ethiopia.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think that your grandchildren should always have problem with Ethiopians their age in 100 years?
No. Why? Because why? Because 75% of Ethiopians.
No, you're not asking.
He's.
I want to ask you.
You're not asking.
No, you're Somali. Us or otherwise, I can say no. ترتيب نكان الله كذا.
waxaan ka rabaa.
But you're not asking.
Okay.
ترتيب.
ورني كانوا كذا الله Look. Thank you.
But you're not answering the question.
I will answer. He asked. No. I understood him. No. He's nice, but don't be mean.
Listen.
He is nice. He's talking to me nicely. Like in Somali, the problem is the Somalis who are. But you are talking nicely. Let me answer that question. The answer of that question is. I'm not talking to. I'm talking to Amisom. You are Somalis. Wait.
Amisom.
You see the problem of Somalia?
But Firi.
This is the problem of Somalia.
Yes, okay. No. I will answer this question and I will leave. You said, do you want to ask grandchildren to have problems? Okay, let me remind you one thing. No, we don't have problem with Ethiopian people. The civilians. Because they are our brothers. 75% of Ethiopians are Muslims.
About 50.
75. Don't listen to them. I know that. 75. Islam came first to Ethiopia, the time of Muhammad, before Medina, before the city of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
He took refuge.
We don't have problem with it. We don't have problem with Ethiopian people.
Yeah.
We have problem for those who are helping the colonists and want to colonize our land. That's the only problem we have, like the Tigrayan and Amhara. But anybody that, for example, if they want to buy,
They can't take your land.
if we want to exchange business,
They can't take your land.
okay, take them out of our land.
They can't take your land, Imam.
Mr. James, nice to meet you. You work for AMISOM. Listen to Somali people,
But I've
please.
listened to you very well.
But we don't accept Ethiopians. They have to go out of the country.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Just-
we will fight them to the end. أنا أديك الصومالية محل كويس. هاي.
marka leedahay ciidamada qaranka Soomaaliya aaway Amison
dalka nooga bixin mari Ethiopia.
Amison yaa keenay waxa keenay markaad adiga tiri reebel baliya Puntland aad tiri Somaliland bal yiraahdaa warbuq ciidan qaran imaanaya
أنا أديك ما يشين كذا.
adiga ma midaysnin
ومحنو مذوم وذومنا كان مذوم كان قاعد ما يسقف
soo tag reebel
ولا لقى علي واكو شعلها ولا الكيبات هاي مسلم بات ها
gaaladan waa naga tagayaane ani adiga Puntland iyo Somaliland iyo Jubaland ka bax
ولا الكيب كايلي لكن قال كان قال ورمايا وروالا الدرية ولا ذلك هاي يقبح هذا وش شقيه
dalka wuxuu la degan lahayn
هذه ما صارت هذا قبيلك وديرينا وديرينا قبيلك كنت أوي وديري
bluega aaway
هذه مشاركة كلها في السنة مشاركة كنت رمية حوالي يراد كقاتني كان هذا أنس كسرنا وصارينا
garmasaxayna
ورا هذه مشاركة في السنة أنس كسرنا كان قال هذا أدوها كسر مري
fere
أو قال كهنا قطو
fere
أنا ولا لونه أنت ما يجمع هذا أصلا رنت أروش يقبح مع ردك
ninkan annaga u yeeranay markaan
أديك في واحد مكارم بعد يجي زبين تاوا فلسفتك ولا هالك واقو تشعله ولا هالك ولا اللي معاني قال قاعد سقف سنة ولا اللي كي قاعد سقف سنة صومالي وين بدو وهجي سي ولا لوي واستعليه قرباي سقف سطي دقالك واحد ماضي عدو نهبه عدو نهبه عدو وأميسوم أو مانتي سوق شيء مسجد كارميل ما أقانو وح يمادين مساجد أودم بيكون رجيان يدلك أمريكان كا وحين شغال غالنا يعني شرع كل شرع هيان مساجد يدلك أمريكان كا وحنا ودرينا إمام يدا ولا عليه الناس الصوماليين إن أي كدر تونادان أرنكاس أو أي كدر تونادان أميسوم سال أركسين باني كان واسركال سري وارمها دي بدأ السياسة ده وقابل سر أميسوم يسومالي ده إنه كده دليو isfahan oo soo umur mahayay u jeedeen in Ethiopia lagu wareejiyo dalka Soomaaliya halkaasna lagu dhameeyo cadawtinimadii u dhaxaysay Ethiopia iyo Soomaaliya isagoo naga dhacsiiyay in ciidamada ugu badan ee Soomaalida kuwa qaranka lagu tilmaamo ay tababarto inta ugu badan 80 ilaa 70 ciidamada Ethiopia hadaba nin Ethiopia ay dress iyo number iyo hubsisay ma waxaad ka sugaysaan inuu dalka xoreeyo Soomaaliya gumaysi ay ku jirtaa gacanta ayaana lagu dhigay gumaysi ayayna u hoos jirtaa waxaan markaa xasuusinayaa walaalaha imaamyada masaajidiyada iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed ee siyaasiyiinta ee la kulmaya Amisom dibadda iyo dalkaba runta u sheega Ethiopia iyo Amisom Kenya iyo Ethiopia ma aqbalayno iyo Amisomna guryahooda ku noqdeen Soomaalina gacmaha hays qabsato heejiso baydka Ilaahi iyo Quraanka iyo sunnada ya la ilaaha illa Allah Muhammadur Rasuulullah ayya halwa innamal mu'minuna ikhwa fa aslihu bayna akhawaykum imaamyada North America oo ay kamid yihiin kuwa umma iyo kuwa kale waxaan leeyahay u istaaga dib u heshiisiinta dalka Soomaaliyeed iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed cadawgana dalka ka saara waana mahadsantihiin ilaahina idin gargaaro imaamyada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba culimada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba